Hi, my name is Prathamin and now I'm going to explain this project no ball and white ball detection in cricket using a IR sensor and Arduino UNO and breadboard. And this is used the sensor is used to detect the no ball and white ball. The umpire has two switches. When the bowler is bowling the ball, he ons the two switches like this. Now the sensor green. Now if the bowler crosses the grease line and put the balls to the batsman, it produces a sound. In the same way, the ball pitches and goes out of the grease line, it produces light sound. Uh, After this ball is bowled, the umpire of the two switches when the runner if the runner has came here to and the batsman is gone here to get the runs, the signs are don't work and no sounds will come.